Here's another homework problem. They're mostly homework problems. All right, so this one says the table below shows the percentage of full harvest apples at cider mill that are still in cold storage, usable after a given time. The decrease in apples is due to usage as well as from rot. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go in and we need to edit our table. So we're going to put 1 and then 13 and then 26 and then 39. Okay, and then we're going to get 99.8, 30, 11, and then 0.2. Double check our stuff. So 1, 99.8, yep. 13, 30, yep. I'm looking at my calculator. 26, 11, yep. 39.2, yay! All right, so then we go to stats, and we want to do a logarithmic model. So that's number 9. What is it? Number 9. And so I get y equals 99.79. Going to round to 2 decimal places. Sorry, minus 27.21 ln of x. Write a rate of change formula for the data. So the rate of change formula for the data, y prime or dy dx, it's going to give me that derivative 0. So it's going to be negative 27.21 over x. That's pretty easy. Now, what percentage of apples left in cold storage are usable after 5 weeks? Well, we're going to plug in 5 into the original function. So our original function is the y function. Let's plug it into the rounded model. And I get, if I round it to 2 decimal places, 55.98% of apples that are usable 5 weeks in. And it seems reasonable because 1 week in it's 99.8 and 13 weeks in it's in 30. So obviously it's decreasing and our number is between 99.8 and 30. So it seems reasonable. At what rate is it changing? And so we want to do y prime of 5. So y prime of 5, we plug it into derivative function. And I get that it's changing at negative 5.44% per week. So negative 5.44% per week. All right, which seems reasonable. What is the percentage rate of change of usable apples? So percentage rate of change is y prime of 5 over y of 5. So y prime of 5 was negative 5.4444, sorry, rounding to 2 decimal places, divided by 55.98. Gives me that it's decreasing. It's the percentage rate of change is negative 0.1 if I round to 2 decimal places, which is negative 10%. There we go. That seems pretty reasonable, doesn't it?